Today we'll be discussing how to power up and power down your Raspberry Pi safely. When you plug in your Raspberry Pi, it immediately turns on. A green light on the case button comes on to tell you the Pi is powered up. When the Pi is shut down, the light will be red to indicate the Pi is powered down. If your Pi is already plugged in but shut down, simply push the power button. Your Pi will power up and the light will turn green again. There are several ways to shut down your Pi. You should never simply pull the power cord from your Pi or from the wall. To shut down your Pi with the power button, simply press the button on the case. You'll see a shutdown menu on your screen. You can either click shutdown on the screen or press the power button a second time. To shut down your Pi from the command line, simply enter the command sudo shutdown now. When you hit enter to execute the command, your Pi will immediately and safely shut down. The last method we'll discuss is to use the graphical interface on screen. Click on the Raspberry Pi menu in the upper left corner, then choose shutdown. You'll see the usual shutdown options window from which you can choose shutdown to immediately power down your Pi.